No basic zone.
What's good, Stushy? It's girl Stushy back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo, my name is Stushy. Be sure to subscribe and join the gang, and also ring the bell so that way you are alerted whenever I upload a new video. If you are indeed a returning subscriber, then welcome back. Happy to have you guys back again to see my face. Okay, there's a lot of things on YouTube right now, and for y'all to keep coming back and checking me out, that's true love and that's support. So shout outs to you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my press-ons. Every now and then I show you guys my press-ons or my nails. Do you guys like my nails? And half of the time, if I don't get the chance to go, you know, to the nail salon, that I am wearing press-ons. We're in quarantine right now, so nothing is open, so I have been wearing press-ons. So I figured this would be a great time to show you guys how I do my press-ons. So if you're interested in watching, then stay tuned. You know, I'm putting y'all on. You know I'll be dropping gems. You know that. So diving right in, I'm actually going to be using the nude set. I thought those looked really cute, so I decided to pop these ones on. The pack does come with nail glue and some stick-on tabs. I personally use the nail glue. I don't even look at the stick-on tabs. I'm just going to glue my nails really quickly with the items that come in the pack. So I'm going to go ahead and file each nail down and also use that cuticle pen looking thing to just push up my cuticles. Go ahead and measure each nail to try to find the perfect press on for each fingernail, and after that I'm going to go ahead and start applying it with the glue. And yes, I was Aggie AF when that happened, like for real. I had an old set of some black ones, so I decided to pull those out, but spoiler alert, I didn't end up using any of the black ones. And as I mentioned before, I don't use any of the sticky tabs. I just go ahead and apply nail glue. So I like to add the glue to my fingernail first, and then I add the glue to the press on, and then I go ahead and press each one on. So I'm gonna let the music play while I work. Enjoy. As you guys can see, I do have fattened up, so shout out to Kiss for making these press-on nails. These last me around 2 weeks, and if one pops off, I just, you know, buff my nails back and glue it right back on, and we're back to business, okay? Kiss is the only brand that I buy for press-on nails. I've been looking on Etsy for some other fun ones, you know, from black-owned businesses, but as of right now, Kiss has been holding me down. Yes, one hand is done. Don't they look cute, you guys? Give me a thumbs up down below if you would rock this style. Also off camera, I did file the nails down just a bit just to get rid of that roughness on the edge, but other than that, they were good to go. And this is me thinking that, you know, I'm that bitch, okay? I know everyone feels like this when they get their nails done, and it's okay to look super cute in the house even if you're wearing press-ons. And I mean, I'll take $8.99 over $36, $40, $60 any day, boo. So I hope you guys really enjoyed. This is the finished product for my nails. You see, they look kind of cute, right? You would have thought that I got this done, you know, at the nail salon. No, we paid less than $10 for these bomb nails, okay? So make sure you head to your local CVS, Walgreens, Target, wherever. Pick you up a pair, pick you up a set, and do them yourself. And if you do indeed like pick up a pair and do them yourself at home, then definitely tag me on Instagram at thestushlife. I'd love to see it. We love to see it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and join the gang. Ring the bell as well so that way you're alerted whenever I upload a new video. And also give me a big thumbs up if I helped you, you know, get your life together, get your cuteness together in quarantine. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.